Hi, welcome to October 2018 Celtic Tune of the Month. The tune this month is actually an English ballad, so it may or may not be Celtic, but it's such a cool tune and it is October. This tune fits the season perfectly. The name of it is called Grim King of the Ghosts. Over the centuries it has had different names, but that's how I found it. And so the time signature is 3/4. The key signature is C. However, we do need to lift the levers on the G strings, or we need those G's to be sharp. Okay, so here we go. It starts with the first note as a pickup, so it's going to go E to A, and then that G sharp back to A. Okay, so that first part again is, and then we go up to C, 3 fingers in a row, so C, B, A, and then ending on B. So that bit again starts C, B, A, B. So we put those two together. We start with E up to A. Okay, and then we go back down to E again, and so we're going to go E up to C, then down to B, up to E, and then put that second finger on C, and then you'll have 3 in a row. So that last bit again goes E up to C, and then you're going to go down to B, up to E, and then second finger goes to that C, and then 3 in a row, so you go down to A. That is the A part in its entirety. Let's play it together and I'll count it out. Again, that first note is a pickup note, so we start on 3. I'll give you one full count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and you start it over again on 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2. Moving on to the B part, we just ended with A part with that A, with 2 beats, and then the B part also has a pickup note, which is going to start on C. So we're going to go to C up to E, and then 2 E's, down to A, then up to F, and then we have 4 in a row, back to D. So just that much again. We go from C up to E, 2 E's, and then down to A, and then go up to F, and then 4 in a row, and then back to D. Okay, now we're going to go start on E. So we're going to put 4 fingers all in a row, so that 4 fingers should end up on B. So we have E, D, C, and then B, C, down to A, and now up to D, 3 in a row. Okay, so again that part starts on E. These first 2 notes, the E and the D, are 8th notes, and they're a pickup. So we're going to have 4 in a row. Thumb goes to C, down to A, up to D, and then 3 in a row. And this last bit is exactly like the A part. So now the B part all together, and I'll give us one full count of 3 to get us started. Again, that first note is a pickup. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2. And now for the chords. These are the chords that I chose. If you find something you like better, by all means. Okay, so here's what I came up with. So for the A part, we have A minor, E, A minor, F, and the E, A minor, F, E, D minor, A minor. And now the chords on the B part. A minor, F, E, actually E7, A minor, F, E, and this again is the same as the A part. A minor, E, A minor, F, E, A minor, F, E, D minor, A minor. Now on that first part where it goes A minor, E, A minor, if that's too much to change all at once, you can just let that A minor ring out and then go to the F. Okay. At the end part where it goes F, E, D minor, A minor, it's just a walk down, so you can play the chords in the root position. So you can play, and then so that A minor, all you have to do, you have D, F, A for that D minor chord. Keep your thumb on that A, and then just walk these two fingers down to the E and the C, and you'll get an inverted A minor chord. So it makes it really easy. A little extra, because this is folk music, you can take some license here. So what I like to do is, instead of giving this 1, 2, 3, I like to give this actually 5 counts, and then I can do some. Kind of fun to damp, to gives a little more spooky feeling. And then so you feel free to, oops, so when I alter the rhythm there, instead of, you can make them even. So have fun with this. It's a really cool spooky tune for Halloween. So yeah, go crazy. Have fun with it.